How to manually reinstall an OS, using SolusVM for customized installation. The manual installation allows you to modify or create a custom partition. Log into your SolusVM control panel. If there is more than one server, then click to select the appropriate one. Scroll down, and under the Settings tab, change the boot order to Cd-Rom hard disk. Click to open the Cd-Rom tab. Notice that Cd-Rom is not mounted. If it is mounted, click on the Unmount button. Click to open the drop-down list and select the operating system you wish to install, then click to mount the Cd-Rom. Now let's reboot the VPS and then open VNC quickly without wasting time. Click on the HTML VNC Client SSL button to get connected. Most operating systems will ask you to press any button to start an OS installation while booting. It may also show you an option like Install OS or Test this media. For OS installation or reinstallation, select Install OS and press the Enter button. Select a language and continue. We have to create the partition, set root password, and create a user. Let's do it one by one. There are triangle icons where we haven't selected anything. For partition, go to Installation Destination and select the disk you would like to install. You may and may not have checked disk if you have more than one disk. Click to select the proper disk. Now click on the Done button. It says, there is not enough available free space in the disk. The operating system will remove all the data you have on the disk. So either make a backup or go ahead only if you don't need it anymore. Go and click to reclaim space. Click on the Delete All button as I don't need the data anymore. Then click on the Reclaim Space button. Notice that the caution icon has disappeared. Now go and set root or admin password. The password is weak and I need to click twice on the Done button to confirm it. There are other options. You can click and select keyboard type if you require a different keyboard. You can select a time zone as per your requirement. Notice that network is disconnected. Click to connect the network and set a host name also. For other remaining options, I will leave the default settings. You can visit them and make your choices. Now everything looks good, let's click to begin the installation. We have installed the CentOS 8.3. Now it asks to reboot the system. Click on the Reboot System button. Let's go back to the VPS control panel and set the boot order to hard disk Cd-Rom. Reboot it for the changes to take effect. Now we can go back to the VNC and complete the initial setup. There is a caution icon, let's go and complete it. The configuration has been finished. Go to Next. Set username and password for your CentOS. That's it. Now you can start using CentOS. Thank you for watching.